What's going on? So in today's video we're gonna try to go camping.
Yes, so we're cheating a little bit. Well, I'm kind of cheating. Just in case I can't hack it out in the rooftop tent, we invited my mom and my stepdad because they have their RV.
Yeah, so because she's 24 weeks pregnant. 25 weeks pregnant right now. So we're gonna be seeing how this goes, and if everything goes well, we might go ahead and do another trip. But this will be our, I guess, go around. So
yeah, and it's supposed to feel fresh
Yeah.
tonight, so
nice and chilly.
yeah, so I'm very excited about that. We'll see how it is.
Yeah. So we got
So we'll see
everything
y'all.
packed
Pack
up
back
back
there.
here. We're gonna get the truck loaded up. We'll see y'all out there. Alright guys, we are back home. We got everything unloaded in the truck.
Yeah.
So
We
it was
didn't
fun.
record too much.
Yeah. It was just like a trial run, so but we actually we think it's a lot more doable than we were anticipating.
Yeah. The only thing though that I can say is if you're pregnant, you know that you get up in the middle of the night a lot. Luckily I only got up twice. It wasn't that bad actually, like coming up and down the ladder, which I was kind of worried. We did not go into the RV at all, so
Yeah.
we made it. Yeah,
I wish we would have recorded more of the inside, but
Yeah.
we didn't. But
And it got cold last night, but it wasn't cold in the tent at all. Like
Yeah.
we didn't have to use our
our sleeping beds that are like -40 or whatever, like they work great.
sleeping beds.
Sleeping bag.
And then what is the thingy called?
Oh, our heater buddy.
There you go, pregnancy.
Yeah, we
brain.
didn't have to use the heater buddy either, so
Yeah.
it was actually really cool. So
Yeah, I felt good. Like there was a time where I was even like hot, and I took the blanket off of me, and I took my I think I was wearing a sweater or
yeah,
something.
like a sweater, yeah.
And I took it off. So
Yeah, it was really fun. I think we're gonna go ahead and try to attempt another trip here pretty soon. So
before baby comes.
yeah, we'll keep y'all updated with that. But
Yeah.
for now, hope y'all enjoyed our little trip. But that was us going to the Nueces River in Uvalde. So
Thanks
see
for
y'all next
watching.
time.
Bye.